Hi crafters, today we are learning how to make the popcorn stitch using crochet symbols and charts. Charts can come in the form of a flat pattern like this where you go back and forth between rows, or they can come in the form of a round chart where you go this way. This is typically for granny squares. So our popcorn stitch for today is just going to be flat. This is the way it looks according to my chart, but I can also make a popcorn stitch using granny squares in the round. This is the way it looks like. Both are popcorn stitches, it's just that the difference is this one goes round and this one goes back and forth according to the row. For this tutorial, you need this crochet chart for your popcorn stitch. I've shared the link on where to get this chart. You can screenshot it or you can follow it as we go along. You're also going to need your 4.5mm hook. Then I have my paint box yarns for illustration. Illustrate how to the popcorn stitch. I'm using this chart, symbols on how the popcorn stitch is made, and I'm also going to use my chart symbols from the console of the Craftian console, which has symbols that explain the symbols on our chart. So for the popcorn stitch, this is the way it looks like, and you may find that your chart will indicate how many double crochets. Just like the way we did the puff and bubble stitch, this is a cluster of either double crochets or half double crochets. So for the popcorn stitch, there's a way it looks at the top. This will show you that it's a popcorn stitch in comparison to a puff or a bubble stitch that has a straight line. Your popcorn stitch may be 4, 6, 7, 8 double crochets, but essentially 5 or 6 is the way to go with the popcorn stitch. The popcorn stitch again is a highly textured stitch. This is because as you're making your popcorn stitch, you need to double crochet, let's say 5 double crochets into one stitch, then take out your hook from the last double crochet stitch you made, take it back to the first double crochet, and then pull them together. So it has a very high texture because the stitches are pulled together. This chart that I have is for right-handed crocheters. This is because it starts from the right, goes to the left like this, and usually the pattern, the chart will show you where it starts, where one row starts and where it ends. If you look at this, we have 1 on the right side, then it goes up to 2. So basically this is the way our chart moves in comparison to a round pattern, just like the previous video, which goes in circular form depending on the direction, if the person is right-handed or left-handed. The very first symbol is our foundation chain, the bottom. This is the way the chain looks like, a circle. Some will write CH as the abbreviation. Basically, this is a chain stitch. For the popcorn stitch, we need to have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14 stitches, just to illustrate this. And we're not going to start from exactly 1. This is the way our chain will be. Then when I start row 1, I'm going to start it on the right side. Let's start by making our foundation chain. Then chain 14 stitches. Stitches. We have 1 extra stitch because we are going to make a row of single crochets. Our plus in this case is a single crochet. From the previous tutorial, we saw that single crochets can also be written as X's, but today it's just a plus. Then let's count how many single crochets we need. 5, 4, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13. So 13 single crochets. That means you're going to skip one chain stitch and single crochet into the second chain from the hook. Don't count the chain that is on your hook. In total, we have 13 single crochets. I finished my round 1 of 13 single crochets. Round line 2 or row 2, we'll start by chaining 1 so that we can be able to turn. Then into our single crochet, we're going to make 5 double crochets. And lastly 5. So the trick about the popcorn stitch, you're going to take out your hook, make sure you don't tug on it so that your chain remains intact. Then go back to the first double crochet you made in the head of that double crochet, take it back to that last chain on your hook, pull on it, then slip stitch through the first one that you made. So others will do that and actually just make a chain to space out your popcorns, but according to our chart it just remains as so. Then in the next stitch we are making single crochet, then again crochet 5 double crochets, and take out your hook from that chain that you left. Take it out, put it back into the loop above the first double crochet, put it through, then hook your first chain, your last chain, then slip stitch through the loop on the head of the double crochet, then single crochet. So far we've made 2 popcorn stitches. Let's do that again. Just did my single crochet, then I'm going to double crochet 5 times, or 1, 5, and take out your hook. This first loop under the beads, just that simple. Crochet going to be doing this till the very end of the row, and then we'll meet on row 3. I've just finished making round 2, and you need to actually confirm from your chart how many clusters you have, how many popcorn stitches. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So I have 7 popcorn stitches. That was the end of round 2. So this is where I am starting row 3. Starting row 3. So it starts by chaining 1 and then single crocheting till the end. Chain 1. Our single crochets are coming in between that loop that you made for your popcorn to be complete. Single crochet all the way through. Don't forget to also single crochet on top of the single crochets you made in the previous row. Here they are. So in total you should have 13 single crochets. I'm done with row 3, and if you notice, once you're done with that, your fabric actually lies flat. So the next row is row 4. Just the way we did row 2. Chain 1, single crochet, then make your popcorn stitch. And it's just going to be a repeat. If you notice from our chart, it actually shows our repeat is from row 1 to row 4. So row 1 to row 4 is where we are repeating our time. Let's start by chaining 1, single crochet from the previous row. Then from our pattern, our popcorn stitches are not stacked on top of each other, they're alternating in each row. This one will go in between. And take out your hook and insert it into the first double crochet at the V's, then take it back again into your first chain, then pull through, making a slip stitch together, and single crochet into the next one, next double crochet 5, and lastly take out your hook, put it back under the V's of the first double crochet, hook that chain, then pull through, and on the next one, single crochet. So far this is the way our popcorn swatch looks like. I'll make up a couple of rows and then we'll see how it turns out. I finished another round of popcorn stitches. From our chart, the first row has 7 popcorns, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. The next one has 6 7 6, so on. This is the way it looks. Once you learn how to read the symbols and the chart and the abbreviations, it will be quite easy for you to follow any stitch. These directions will be your guide. Once you have mastered them, it will be pretty easy for you. Thank you for watching up to the very end. I hope you learned and enjoyed how to crochet the popcorn stitch. Please remember to support my channel by liking, commenting and subscribing. See you on the next one, crafters.